Hello everyone, good morning. This week we are doing best out of waste activity. For that we need toilet roll, 2 tissue rolls, 1 cardboard in oval shape, 1 pink sheet which we cut in later on oval shape. I already prepared, and 2 horns cut by cardboard, and 1 black sheet which we cut in 2 strips to cover the tissue rolls, and some cloud shape uneven patterns, and 2 ears of the cow in leaf shape, and 4 small circles, and 1 white sheet to make a bigger roll like this, and 2 small square sheets according to the size of the tissue rolls to cover them, and 1 semicircle, a big semicircle. So in first step we will cover the tissue roll with white sheet. So I'm applying Fevicol first on the tissue roll, and then I will paste the sheet and I cover them in white paper. If you want to paint, if you have acrylic color or any other color, you can paint them white. I'm using here paper to cover them, and the extra paper we will fold them inside the tissue roll. Then I will cover the next tissue roll. Then we will use black strip, just like cow's feet. We use black strip, smaller than the half of this tissue roll. So maybe its size is 2 inches, maybe 1.5 inch or 2 inch. You can take the width of the black strip, and length is according to the tissue roll. And we will cut a triangle, small triangle in the center of black sheet in the lower part. Then we will paste this sheet on the lower part of the tissue roll, like these are the feet of cow. This is smaller than half tissue roll, the black sheet, and I will do the same with another tissue roll. And then we will paste these patterns, black patches on these tissue rolls, like these are feet of cow. So this is the patch color of cow, black and white. So you can paint them also, you can use marker. I will show you how to paint them. There are 2 ways to make them decorative, like we can use black paper, or another one is you can make patterns with black marker on the white portion, and you can make several patterns, same uneven. It's not necessary to paint the same and same size and same design. You can change the pattern. Okay, now you can use this technique all over the white portion. It's your choice, but here I'm using these black cutouts. And we will do the same thing with the white sheet. We will make a bigger roll, and then we will paste these all patches on the white sheet. And just like that, you have to roll the white sheet and paste the end. After making the roll, you have to paste the patches or paint the black portion on the white portion. Now we will make the face of the cow. So we will paste pink portion over the white circle, and then we will paste 2 black circles as eyes and nose of the cow, and we will paste 2 ears, then 2 horns of the cow, and then we will paste 2 black patches over the forehead like this, and then we will use black marker to make a smile mouth of the cow. Now our shapes are done, so we will place the all shapes over cardboard, and then we will paste the face on the bigger roll, on the paper roll on the top, and then we will paste some patches on the roll, and then to paste the roll on the cardboard we will make some cuts in the lower part, and then we will fold these pieces towards the outside, and then we will paste them on the cardboard. We will paste these folded pieces. So this is the easiest technique to paste the roll in any plain surface. And now we will paste the smaller rolls on the left or right side of the bigger roll. And while they are wet, you can adjust them. So now our final product is done. Hope you like it. Thank you.